Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to another interesting video. Today guys, I share with you how to make tasty brown bread. Yes, so without taking much of your time, let's get started. Okay, so get your dry bowl, yes, your mixing bowl, and go in with your brown bread flour. Yes, for you to make this brown bread, you need brown bread flour. Okay, we added 2 cups of it, and now we are going in with our fast action yeast. Yes, 2 teaspoons of it. Now go in with a tablespoon of brown sugar. Now go in with a teaspoon of salt. Once you've added all of that, go on and stir until they are well incorporated. Okay, the good thing about this recipe is that it is gluten-free and also perfect for those that are milk intolerant. Next is your butter. Go on and add in 2 tablespoons of butter, okay? Or you can use margarine, whichever one you have. Now that you've added your butter, go on and rub it in, okay? Mix until it resembles breadcrumbs. Shout out to my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, guys, welcome back to our channel, okay? Thank you for your massive love and support. I'm very grateful, guys. Thank you. So, guys, let's continue. Have you seen it? It should look this way once you're done. All right, moving on to the next one. Make a hole, okay? Make a dip to pour the water in because we're going to be making use of water. 250 ml of warm water, okay? Warm water, please. Now, go on and mix using your spatula or your mixing spoon, all right? If you want seeded bread, you can go on and add in some seed like sunflower, pumpkin seed, sesame, different kinds of seed anyway. So whichever one you want, if you want your bread seeded inside, go on and add in some seed and continue to mix. All right, okay, we're going to be making use of seed, but we'll be using it on the outside. Yes, so that will come later, so just keep watching. Okay, at this point we are done mixing. Hello to you that is meeting my video for the first time. You're welcome. Here we'll cook, we'll bake, we'll do everything edible. So please do well to be part of this beautiful family, okay? You can only do that by subscribing. Hit that subscription button, turn on your notification bell to be the first to get an alert when I upload new video, all right? So guys, moving on to the next one. Sprinkle lots of flour on the work surface, okay? And place your dough on it. Now, we are going to knead a bit, okay? Add more flour if needed. We will continue to knead for like 5 to 6 minutes. Keep going. Remember, we are making brown bread, yes. So if you do not want your bread to come out that dark brown, you want it a bit lighter, all you need to do is to make use of plain flour, yes. That is to say, you can use 1 cup of plain flour and 1 cup of brown bread flour and mix both together. I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about. Yes, so just half of it and then mix together, then you get your light brown bread. All right, so we are still at the process of kneading, but at this point we are almost done. Yes, so at this point guys, we are done. Bring it together, press it down this way, and it is time to divide it. Yes, we are going to cut it into 8 pieces. Just this way. All right, so guys, it is time to roll them into small balls. Yes, fold them this way. Bring them together just this way. Watch closely, okay? All right, now roll it, trying to form a ball shape, okay? Just like this, guys. So do same with the remaining doughs. So here are our dough balls. Yes. Now cover it with a cling film. And leave it in a warm place, okay, for about 40 to 15 minutes. Moving on to the next step. In a clean bowl, crack in 1 egg. Now beat it with a spoon or a fork, or you whisk it with your whisk, okay? All done, so set it aside, okay? Next up, guys, this is our doughs. Yes, our ball doughs doubled in size already. So after 40 to 45 minutes, guys, our doughs have doubled in size, and it is a sign that it is ready to be baked, okay? So now apply the beaten egg on them, just like this, guys. So this is the last one. It will give it that perfect glossy finish look, okay? Now it is time to top in your seed. Yes, we are making use of sesame seed. So go ahead and sprinkle that in, just like this. You can top in more different seeds like sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, whichever one you have. But we're going to be making use of sesame seed all through, okay? All right, guys. Not baked yet, but it is looking good. Once done, pop it into your oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, okay? And there you have it. Our tasty brown bread is set. Oh my, it looks so good, guys. Are you gonna try out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. I advise you do. Yes, cause you're gonna love it. So now transfer on a cooling rack or your board, just like me. Yes, let's allow it cool down a bit. But you know your girl. If you have been following me, you will know that I like testing it hot, guys. So stick around and test with me. All right? Looking good. Please give it a shot, okay? So let's test it. Brownie, yes. Just perfect. Perfect, guys. So guys, you can enjoy it with your butter, peanut butter, jam, just any spread of your choice, guys, okay? So this is me spreading some butter on it. If you have enjoyed this video and you found it very interesting and you have not given it a thumbs up, please consider doing that, okay? Give it a thumbs up, like, share also to your family, friends, and loved ones for them to try it out, okay? Thank you. So guys, let's test it. Oh my gosh, it tasted so good, guys. Give it a shot, okay? And remember to subscribe and follow for more tasty recipes. Bye.